I'm Christy Gregg, and today I'm here to list a dynamic property. It's minutes from downtown Conway and a short trip to Myrtle Beach as well. We're in Conway, South Carolina, conveniently located off of Highway 22 and 701. And today we're going to show you this horse farm. There's 18 acres, 29 horse stalls, and also a covered arena as well as an outdoor arena. For the equestrian enthusiast and the beach lover, this may be your dream property. Let's go take a look. I'm Christy Gregg with Century 21 Boling and Associates, and if you'd like more details on this property, give me a call.